Hi, today I'm with me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So if you don't know how to activate NFC, you should first open the settings app, and after that we should tap to connected devices. Here we can see NFC section. Just to activate the NFC we should use this switcher, and just to turn it off we should also use the switcher. If you want to switch the contactless payment, for example, to change the Google Pay app, you can make it here. Unfortunately I have just only Google Pay application to use it. So also we have the second way how we can activate and turn off the NFC. We should first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here we should find NFC icon. Just to activate it we should click on this icon, and to turn it off we should click on the icon once again. And to launch the NFC settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.